In this video, I'll show you how to add music to TikTok story. I'll show you how I can be able to put song on a TikTok story. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your TikTok, click on your inbox. This is gonna come out, click on the create to select what you want to post. So let's say if I want to use one of my videos for this, I'm gonna click on this. In this video, I'll show you how to delete TikTok story. Music, what you need to do. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you. You're gonna be able to see video. A whole lot of music displayed. Click on your inbox. You can select if you have posted a story. So I love to delete it. What you need to do is just click on this video. So okay, I want to use this for an example. So I'm gonna select this, then I'm gonna reduce this. So this is it. So you can select any of them. You can select this. You can select this as well. So this is how I can be able to do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.